I just got done live streaming, doing the unboxing with the Z8. Really impressed already getting my hands on this thing. The first thing that you'll notice is the weight, all right? And it's not far off from the Z6 too, which is right here in my right hand, Z8 right here. When the Z9 came out last year, I was drooling over the autofocus, that stacked 45 megapixel CMOS backside illuminated sensor, also blackout free EVF, 20 frames per second, full resolution RAW, 120 frames per second, JPEG stills, like absolutely bonkers. But to be able to take all those features and shrink it down into a smaller body like this, that is a huge W. Do have the option and ability to add on that second battery with the battery grip. If I want to go longer, I'm out in the field shooting sports or wildlife, but having the option to take it off and have a lighter camera is huge. I'm a wedding photographer full time, so I mainly do one-handed shooting with my Z6 II, which is why I love it so much. It's so light, amazing quality. Z8 is a really good compromise. The weight difference, there's just a little bit more heft here, but it's definitely not the same as my D4S, which the Z9 is heavier than this D4S, this old school DSLR. I was really impressed how my Z8 was able to, I'm already calling it my Z8, sorry Nikon, how the Z8 was able to focus on my wife's picture in complete darkness. Hold up. I'm in complete darkness and it's auto-focusing on my wife's eyes, on her picture. That is some insane autofocus right there, chat. It didn't just focus on the face, like put a little square around the face. It puts 2 squares around the eyes in complete darkness. ISO was up around 25,600. It made it look like I had my lights on in the viewfinder. It was crazy. So when it comes to wedding receptions, nighttime photos, I really can't wait to see how it's gonna do. Tomorrow's wedding that I've got, it's actually at a private residence here on Maui. You know, we'll see what the lighting looks like and everything like that. I'm really going in tomorrow's wedding, fully confident in this thing. Also, the 4-way tilting LCD screen, very intuitive. Another feature that I was just drooling, wanting to have that the Z9 put out. Look at that thing. Look at that. That's so sick. To be able to tilt it like that in portrait mode. Let's get the focus. There we go. Blackout free EVF, 20 frames per second, 14-bit RAWs. This thing is a powerhouse and I can't wait to, I hate this phrase, but put it through its paces, all right? It also came with the 24-120 kit lens, all right? And this is S line, so you're gonna expect the best quality out of this lens. I do have another Z-mount lens, which is the 85 1.8. It's easily replaced my F-mount 85 1.4. I don't wanna say night and day difference, but you can tell a difference, and the quality is enough to where I like using my 85 1.8 Z-mount lens versus my 85 1.4 F-mount. So I can't wait to use this as well. I'm gonna bring this tomorrow. Probably gonna let my second photographer use this lens. Very versatile lens, 24-120. So I think this is a really cool kit lens that this camera comes with. And if you wanna check out more live stream content, I'm gonna plan on some sunrise live streams. We're gonna go shoot the sunrise, go do some awesome landscapes with the Z8. Make the most of every opportunity with this camera before I have to send it back. With that said, Nikon, thank you very much for sending the Z8 all the way to Hawaii. I will take good care of it and I will treat it like it's my own. It's gonna be very hard for me to let it go, I can already tell, but Nikon, I really appreciate the opportunity. And for all of you, make sure you stay tuned. Like this video if you like this type of content. It'll show up on your feed more. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the Z8. If you're excited about it, are you planning to purchase it? And subscribe to our content, all right? We got everything from photography all the way to gaming. And if you want to become a member of this channel and support me and my family, then make sure you become a member. You know, access all the bonus content, which got like behind the scenes stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.